Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be playing with the Island Vibes Cling Stamp set because it's Celebration Saturday. I love this set. It has on it 3 images but no sentiments, so I've actually mixed it up with the Special Moments photopolymer stamp set. So this is also a celebration set. So let me explain to you the difference between the two of these, okay? During celebration, if you spend £45 with me at SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net, you get a free celebration item. Island Vibes is one of those items that you can get for free. For every £45 you spend, you accumulate points in a way. I think it easier to think of it as points. And then some items are 1-point items and some items are 2-point items. So the Special Moments stamp set, because there are so many, there are 21 stamps in this. This is a 2-point stamp set, so you have to spend £90 to get this one free. But if you spend £135, you can get both free. Okay, it's not once you spent £45 or over, you get a free. It's where for every £45 you spend. So you can add up the amount of celebration items that you get. And for £135, you can get both of these for free. For £90, you can get this for free. And for £45, you can get this one for free. Okay. So I'm going to be creating this card for you today, which is so simple and so easy to make. I love it. It's just using one colour, Evening Evergreen. And look at the effects of this. It takes seconds. Let me show you how to do it. So first of all, you're going to want to have this long piece here on a block, which I've got. And you're also going to want your sentiment, and I've chosen Thank You for Brightening Up My Day, also on a block. Okay, you want a piece of basic white cardstock, which I've got here, and this is for your front mat. And then you want a piece of basic white cardstock, the thick stuff, that is going to be for your base of your card. So let me fold this over now and burnish it. And then you'll see that this piece here just fits on top of that with a small gap around. So my bases are always an A4 piece of paper cut in half and scored in half. And then this one here that goes just on top, this is 10.25 centimetres by 14.5 centimetres, which just gives it that thin little strip around the edge. You're just going to want the front base piece first though, and I'm just going to grab a piece of scrap grid paper because I don't like getting my main one messy. And let's get started. Big stamp first, Evening Evergreen. Okay, and I'm just going to ink that up. Now this is a distinctive stamp set, which are gorgeous. They're really nice, our distinctive stamp sets, because they give some dimension to your stamps. And what you're going to want to do, so if I just move this up off the messy bit here, is you're going to want to stamp just off the card. So if you can see what I mean, I have just took the edge just over on both corners, okay? Stamped it down. Well, I thought I took it just over. I've got just a little bit there. Not to worry, that's okay. It's my eyesight obviously playing up. Next bit, I'm going to turn it round and do this corner here. Hopefully this time it's just over, but we will see. There we are, just over. It doesn't matter if it's not. We're going to be shading in the corner. It won't be obvious, but there we go. Now for this bit, I'm going to take it so that this stamp is there, just hanging off the bottom. And there we go. That's the corner piece done. And then turn it and do this corner. So you've actually gone all the way around as a frame. Okay. Dead simple, dead easy to do that. Pop your sentiment in. So I'm just going to ink that up as well. Exactly the same colour. This card is all evening evergreen. So thanks for brightening up my day. There you go. And then I'm going to bring my scrap paper back in again, because I'm going to do some blending with my blending brushes. So I've got my evening evergreen blending brush here. So I'm just going to rub it into my ink pad. So I'm going to do little circles in my ink pad. And then I'm going to start off the page and bring it in and go all the way around the edge. If you can hear a bit of jingling in the background, that is my pegboard that's on the back of my desk. When I actually do my blending and the desk moves slightly, everything on the pegboard clangs into the other, which means my scissors just go clingy clangy all the way along. So just keep going around the edge. And you can go as dark as you like or as light as you like. And you see, this is where I mean it won't matter too much that this wasn't on the edge, because you're not going to see it as much when it goes onto your card, because it's not going to be a big white stark piece. It's going to be the same colour as you're stamping. Okay. Once you've done that, as dark or as light as you like, you just want to adhere it onto that card base that we had at the start. This is a really, really quick and simple card, but oh, is it not effective? I love this stamp set, the distinction that's in it. It's beautiful. So I'm just going to adhere this. I'm going to stick it straight onto the card with my Tombow rather than actually popping it up with dimensionals, just because I think it looks so beautiful as it is. I don't think it really needs to be popped up. So I'm just going to stick that on there like that. Okay, and finally, to finish it, I'm just going to grab, well, I thought I was going to grab, yes I am. These are from the mini catalogue. They're the iridescent rhinestones and they're beautiful. And I've got one sitting on top of the other one there, which is going to annoy me. And I'm just going to grab 3 of the little ones and pop them just on the card to create some sort of glittery effect. I love a little bit of bling on my cards. And there we go. That is as simple as the card is, but isn't it stunning? I love it. Real quick and easy one for you today. Thanks everybody for joining me. Don't forget, every item I've used today is available from SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net, and both of these stamp sets that I have used, the Island Vibes and the Special Moments, are completely free when you spend qualifying amounts. Thanks everybody, I will see you soon. The celebration offer is only on till the end of February, so don't miss out. Thanks everybody, bye.
I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.